In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept your invite and sign into QuickBooks Online. First, you'll want to locate the invite email. Open the inbox for the email address that your company or accountant uses to contact you. Look for a message saying you've been invited to QuickBooks Online. If you don't see it right away, check your spam, junk, or promotions folders and try searching for QuickBooks Online Invitation in the search bar of your email. Once you've found the email, go ahead and open it. Inside that email, you'll see a button or link that says something like "Let's go" or "Accept Invitation." This is the link that connects you to the specific QuickBooks Online company you've been invited to. Click that link. It will open a new tab in your browser and take you to the QuickBooks Sign In or Sign Up page. Now you'll either sign in or create an account depending on whether you've used QuickBooks or any other Intuit product before. If you're an existing user, you can simply sign in using your usual email and password associated with your Intuit account. Take a moment to double-check that you're using the correct email address, especially if you have more than one. If you're new to QuickBooks or Intuit, you'll need to create a new account. On the screen, you'll see an option to create one. Enter the email address where you received the invite, then add your name and a secure password. You may also be asked for a phone number for security purposes, such as account recovery or identity verification. Follow the prompts and complete the setup. If you're an accountant or you already have multiple profiles, you might see a prompt asking you to link this invite to an existing firm or profile. Carefully select the correct firm or profile so the new client or company is added in the right place. In some cases, QuickBooks will ask you to verify your identity. This might involve receiving a code by email or text message. When that happens, retrieve the code, enter it on the screen, and submit it to continue. Once you've signed in, linked the correct profile, and completed any verification, you should see a success message. After that, the company you were invited to will appear in your QuickBooks Online client or company list, and you'll be ready to start working in their books.